Pulled up to Blackthorn like a dealer with steel dreams. Flatbeds loaded, Bridgeport's gleam.
OGs nodding, they know what it means. Cast iron kings taping off this field like a crime scene.
LeBlanc lays precision like Cartiers. Tight tolerances, calipers in a square.
I feel it in the threads like feel it in the air. My chrome meter rock steady, measure a single hair.
We exhuming these frames that steady whisper our name. I'm unearthing what's been buried, archaeologist to iron.
Don't call it salvage, it's scripture and steel. And I'm just a scribe with grit in the field.
Chisels cozy in the leather roll, double bevel grind, hone edge so true it could cut through time.
Walker Turner whispering, don't call it a comeback. Been here since before your granddad had a tool rack.
The tool game, vigilance and grind is patience, patience, biding time.
Y'all stainless steel spiritual. I'm in that meditative groove, no flex in my bars, my ways run smooth.
Evaporate steaming like holy water. Baptize these relics, christen them like a daughter.
I'm the ghost in the gear, the spokes in the wheel. Patina on purpose, making your things mine.
Like they never age, just waited to shine. A second chance to do the job, like the first time.
Don't call it collecting, this is resurrection.
Every machine's a sermon, every thread a confession of the saints who built what the world forgot.
Now we're saving lost souls in this sunlit lot.